In this video, we're about to show you 15 new tools from Makita you can buy in 2025. From powerful saws to handy gloves, we've got the best picks for every job. Let's explore these game-changing tools together. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Cordless Impact Wrench. A cordless impact wrench 1/2 inch for Makita 18V battery is a powerful, brushless tool designed for heavy-duty fastening and loosening tasks, ideal for automotive work, construction, and machinery maintenance. Compatible with Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries, this impact driver delivers up to 1000 ft-lbs of torque, making it capable of handling stubborn lug nuts and bolts with ease. Its brushless motor increases efficiency, reduces heat buildup, and extends the tool's lifespan. The built-in LED work light enhances visibility in dimly lit areas, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, secure grip during extended use. Note that this model is sold without a battery, allowing users who already own Makita-compatible batteries to expand their tool collection cost-effectively. Product 2. Product name: Leaf Blower. The Leaf Blower electric cordless leaf blower, designed to offer efficient and versatile performance for outdoor and light indoor cleaning tasks. Operating on a 21-volt system, it includes 2 rechargeable batteries and a charger, ensuring extended runtime and minimal interruptions during use. With 6 adjustable speed modes, users can tailor airflow power for different applications, from gentle dusting to heavy-duty leaf clearing. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, ideal for tasks such as leaf blowing, lawn care, and clearing dust or debris from patios, garages, or workshops. This blower is particularly suited for homeowners looking for a portable and low-maintenance alternative to gas-powered models, without compromising on performance or convenience. Product 3. Product name: Makita Drill and Screw Bit Set. The Makita B4937375 PC metric drill and screw bit set is a versatile and comprehensive accessory kit designed to complement Makita power tools, especially their cordless drills and drivers. Ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this set includes a wide variety of metric-sized drill bits, screwdriver bits, and essential adapters neatly organized in a durable, compact carrying case. Engineered for compatibility with Makita's 18V LXT battery-powered tools, the B49373 set offers durability and convenience for various applications such as wood, metal, and plastic drilling, as well as fastening tasks. The drill bits feature precision ground tips for clean, accurate holes, while the screwdriver bits are made from high-quality S2 steel to reduce wear and tear. The inclusion of hex shank bits also ensures secure fitting in impact drivers and quick change chucks. Product 4. Product name: Tire Inflator Air Compressor. The Tire Inflator Air Compressor is a cordless, portable electric air pump designed for maximum convenience and versatility. Compatible with Makita 18V lithium batteries, this inflator is ideal for users who already own Makita power tools, allowing battery interchangeability without additional investment in power sources. It delivers up to 160 psi, making it suitable for inflating car tires, motorcycle and bicycle tires, sports balls, and other inflatables with ease. Equipped with a digital pressure gauge, it offers precise pressure control and easy monitoring during operation. Its compact and lightweight design enhances portability, making it a handy tool to keep in your vehicle or garage. The unit operates without a cord, giving users the freedom to inflate items anywhere, whether on the roadside, at home, or on outdoor adventures. Note: battery is not included, so it must be used with an existing compatible Makita 18V battery. Product 5. Product name: Makita Quick Change Folding Utility Knife. The Makita Quick Change Folding Utility Knife is a durable and efficient cutting tool designed to meet the demands of professionals and DIYers alike. Built with Makita's reputation for quality and reliability, this utility knife features a quick change blade mechanism, allowing for fast and tool-free blade replacement, reducing downtime during tasks. It comes equipped with 10 heavy-duty blades, making it ideal for a variety of cutting applications such as trimming carpet, cutting drywall, or slicing through packaging. The knife's folding design enhances portability and safety, allowing it to be securely locked when not in use. A lightweight yet robust handle offers a comfortable grip, even during extended use, while the built-in blade storage compartment ensures that extra blades are always within reach. Whether you're working in construction, automotive repair, or general home maintenance, the Makita utility knife is a practical, high-performance tool that reflects Makita's commitment to innovation and user convenience. Product 6. Product name Makita 6PC. Combo Kit. The Makita XT614SX118VLXT registered lithium-ion cordless 6PC. Combo Kit, 3.0 is a versatile and high-performance tool set designed for both professionals and serious DIYers. This combo kit includes 6 essential tools powered by Makita's 18VLXT registered lithium-ion battery system, offering long runtime, fast charging, and consistent power across a wide range of applications. The kit typically features a half-driver drill, impact driver, 6-1/2 circular saw, recipro saw, flashlight, and a job site radio or other accessory, all engineered with Makita's trusted durability and ergonomic design. Each tool in the XT614SX1 kit is equipped with Makita's Star Protection computer controls trademark, which guard against overloading, overdischarging, and overheating, maximizing both tool and battery life. The included 3.0Ah batteries offer a balanced combination of performance and weight, ideal for extended use on demanding tasks like construction, renovation, or outdoor projects. Product 7. Product name Cordless Mini Chainsaw. The cordless mini chainsaw, particularly one that is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, offers a compact and powerful solution for light to medium duty cutting tasks such as tree branch trimming, firewood cutting, and general outdoor work. This brushless handheld 6-inch chainsaw combines efficiency and portability, making it ideal for DIY users, gardeners, and homeowners seeking convenience without compromising on performance. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers more torque, longer runtime, and extended motor life compared to brushed models. This specific model includes an integrated oiler for smooth chain operation and reduced wear, along with 2 replacement chains and a chain file for maintenance. Although the battery is not included, its compatibility with widely used Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries ensures it integrates easily into existing toolkits. The lightweight and ergonomic design enhances control and reduces user fatigue, making it a great option for both seasoned users and beginners needing a reliable cordless chainsaw for occasional cutting tasks. Product 8. Product name Multi-Tool Blade Kit. The Lilogo 116 PCS Multi-Tool Blade Kit is a comprehensive accessory set designed for versatility and compatibility with a wide range of oscillating tools, including popular brands like DeWalt, Makita, Ryobi, Milwaukee, and Dremel, adapter included. This kit caters to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, offering a variety of blades and sanding accessories suitable for tasks such as wood cutting, metal trimming, and surface polishing. Key features. Diverse blade selection. The kit includes CRV Japanese teeth blades for efficient wood cutting and 70mm titanium-coated blades for deeper cuts, ensuring durability and precision. Universal compatibility, designed to fit most quick-change and standard oscillating tools. Note that it is not compatible with star lock systems, example Bosch, Fien. Precision enhancements. Blades and sandpaper accessories feature scale markings to aid in accurate cutting and polishing. Organized storage, comes with a reusable storage bag for easy organization and portability. Product 9. Product name Makita Ratchet. The Makita XRW01Z18VLXT registered lithium-ion cordless 3/8/1/4 SQ. Drive Ratchet is a versatile and powerful addition to Makita's extensive LXT registered lineup, designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who value convenience, performance, and flexibility. Operating on Makita's reliable 18V LXT battery platform, this cordless ratchet delivers up to 35 feet lbs of max torque, making it suitable for a wide range of automotive, mechanical, and general fastening tasks. What sets the XRW01Z apart is its interchangeable anvil design, allowing users to switch between 3/8 and 1/4 square drive heads, which increases adaptability for different sockets and applications. The ratchet also features a variable speed trigger, 0 to 800 RPM, for precise control, and a compact, low-profile head for access in tight spaces. Its paddle switch and LED light add to user comfort and efficiency, particularly in low light conditions. Product 10. Product name Makita Cordless Multi-Tool. The Makita XMT03Z 18V LXT registered lithium-ion cordless multi-tool is a powerful and versatile tool designed for a wide range of applications including sanding, scraping, cutting, and grinding, making it ideal for professionals and DIY users alike. As part of Makita's trusted 18V LXT registered platform, this multi-tool is compatible with the same lithium-ion batteries used in other Makita tools, offering seamless integration and extended value for those already invested in the system. This tool-only model, battery and charger sold separately, features a variable speed control dial, 6,000 to 20,000 OPM, a 3.2 degrees oscillation angle for faster and more aggressive cutting, and a soft start system for smoother operation. Its ergonomic barrel grip and compact design enhance comfort and control during extended use. The XMT03Z is built with durability in mind, featuring Makita's proprietary star protection computer controls trademark to prevent overloading, overdischarging, and overheating. Product 11. Product name Makita Ratchet and Bit Set. The Makita B5028947PC Ratchet and Bit Set is a versatile and high-quality tool set designed for a wide range of applications, particularly for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It is ideal for those who are looking for a reliable and efficient ratchet and bit set for driving screws, tightening fasteners, and other similar tasks. This set includes 47 pieces, providing a comprehensive selection of bits and tools to cover various sizes and types of fasteners. The Makita Ratchet and Bit Set comes with a durable ratchet wrench, which allows for easy and precise control in tight spaces. It features a quick release mechanism, making it convenient to change bits quickly during tasks. The bits included in the set are made of high-quality materials for durability and long-lasting performance, ensuring that the set can withstand rigorous use. Product 12. Product name Makita Cordless Couple Shaft Power Head Kit. The Makita XUX02SM1X418V LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless couple shaft power head kit is a versatile, high-performance tool designed for users seeking an efficient, cordless solution for landscaping tasks. Powered by Makita's 18V LXT lithium-ion battery, it delivers the convenience of cordless operation without sacrificing power or runtime. This kit comes equipped with a 13-string trimmer and a 10-pole saw attachment, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from trimming grass and weeds to cutting branches. The brushless motor enhances the tool's efficiency and longevity by reducing friction and wear, which also contributes to extended battery life. The couple shaft design allows users to easily swap out different attachments, offering a customizable solution for various outdoor maintenance needs. This feature is particularly useful for homeowners and professionals who require a multifunctional tool that can tackle multiple landscaping jobs without needing separate equipment. Product 13. Product name Power Inverter for Makita. The Power Inverter for Makita 18V battery, a CARC portable power supply inverter, is a versatile and portable device designed to convert DC 18V power from Makita batteries into AC 110V 120V, providing a practical solution for powering devices on the go. With a 200 W capacity, this inverter is an excellent companion for users who rely on Makita 18V batteries for their tools and outdoor activities. It features multiple output options, including 2 USB ports and an AC power outlet, making it ideal for charging electronics or running small appliances, such as laptops, phones, or portable lights, while working in remote areas or without direct access to electrical outlets. The inverter is designed to work with Makita's 18V battery systems, adding to the versatility of the batteries you may already have for other tools. As a bare tool, the inverter itself does not include a Makita battery or charger, but it offers significant convenience for users who want to extend the functionality of their existing Makita power tools. Product 14. Product name Makita Cut-Off/Angle Grinder. The Makita XAG04Z18V LXT registered lithium-ion brushless cordless 4-1/2/5 cut-off/angle grinder is a versatile power tool designed for cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks. This tool features Makita's LXT registered lithium-ion technology, providing long-lasting performance and efficient power delivery, ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The brushless motor enhances durability and runtime, reducing the need for maintenance and increasing tool lifespan. With its 4-1/2/5 wheel capacity, the XAG04Z can handle a wide range of applications, including cutting metal, concrete, and stone, as well as grinding surfaces to smooth or polish them. The variable speed dial allows users to adjust the grinder speed to suit the specific task, providing optimal control and precision. This angle grinder is designed to be cordless, making it highly portable and convenient for use in various work environments without the restriction of power cords. It's compatible with Makita's 18V LXT registered lithium-ion batteries, sold separately, which are known for their long-lasting power